Hi everyone, it's Minna from Zeni Beauty. This is the first video in a series that I'm calling Kitchen Cosmetics. It's the Ketchup video. I was looking for an alternative to getting a glycolic facial during the whole COVID pandemic. Of course, none of us were able to go out to get facials or anything like that, so was looking for a way to do it at home. And I came across multiple ketchup videos. The good thing is that it's something that we all have in our kitchens, or for most of us have in our kitchens, and it has a combination of vinegar and tomatoes and the natural acids, and those two ingredients supposedly, are a great alternative to a glycolic or salicylic facial. Did my research and decided to give it a try, and boy oh boy was I pleased with the results. So this video is an attempt to show you how to mix it. I added a natural amino acid. It's like a natural alternative to soy sauce. The brand is by Bragg's. And I added that to the tomato sauce just to kind of make it a little more potent, make the formula a little more potent. But I'm an esthetician, so I kind of can do that. But feel free to do it. Try it without the Bragg's. If you happen to have some, try an eighth of a teaspoon, quarter of a teaspoon, and try it. You will be pleasantly surprised at how toned, tight your skin feels. If you have any dullness, that will be eliminated. It's great for people if you have acneic skin problems, or your team is having really problems with acne. It will help to loosen those bonds, loosen those skin cells so that their skin can breathe and help clear up some of the acne that they're dealing with. If you're finding that you're older like me and your skin is looking kind of dry and dull, this will be a great way to help clear it. So feel free to give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I look forward to coming to see you and talking to you in the next video. Now that you've mixed all your ingredients together, I found that the best way to apply it is with a makeup brush, a flat makeup brush like this. Apply in upward strokes because remember that the skin grows like scales on a fish, so they overlap. And you want to make sure that you get your mixture all over your face and underneath those skin cells, the surface layer skin cells. The point of a chemical peel is to loosen the bonds that hold the dead skin cells together, revealing the new skin cells underneath. And that's the point of a chemical peel. So you want to make sure when you're applying this that you get it all over. Be careful not to get it in your eyes. Make sure you include your neck. Again, applying upward motions and the side of your ears. Now you will probably notice when you're doing this yourself, like my eyes are tearing right now. There's a little bit of the ketchup as well as the amino acid, the natural amino acids really kind of irritates the eyes a little bit. So definitely don't put it in your eye area. Once you're done, just like this, once you're done, you want to leave this on for about 15 minutes to up to a half an hour. and I will come back in half an hour and show you what my skin looks like. Hi everyone, I'm back, and it's been about a half an hour since I put the mask on, and I have to tell you, my skin feels fantastic. It feels firm and toned. It's a lot clearer than it was, but it is a little sensitive, so do be warned that it will feel a little sensitive, which is normal after any kind of a mask, especially chemical kind of mask. And this is a natural version, so it may feel a little tender. So you want to make sure you tone it. Use toner afterward. I like to use Thayer's. Thayer's is the brand of toner that I love to use. They have a couple of different versions. They have a cucumber, I believe a lavender, and then their original one. And it's a witch hazel, but it's a witch hazel on steroids. They have a wonderful blend that I find that really does cleanse, help tone, help with sensitivity. I use it every day, and as well as when I'm on my clients, I use it as a base in preparation for other makeup. So definitely get some Thayer's. And what you want to do is put on a cotton pad, and pretty much you want to just wipe up and out all over your face. And the reason why you want to go up and out is so that you can remove any residue of any skin cells, dead skin cells that might be hanging in there that didn't get rinsed away when you rinsed your face. When you rinse your face after the mask, only use tepid water. Don't use any kind of soap or cleanser. Just use tepid water and just rinse your face really, really, really well. You don't want to scrub. You don't want to do any of that. You just want to rinse it and then come back, pat it dry, and then come back with toner on a cotton pad and using up and out motions. Go ahead and wipe your skin off. And this will remove any traces of the mask that might be left and any dead skin cells. You know, actually there was some left here you probably can't see. With some left on my skin that I couldn't see. So do that, and after you tone, follow up with moisturizer of your choice, and just enjoy it. Like I said, I love this Ketchup mask. I found that my skin is much better condition, a lot clearer. And give it a try. I mean, the reality is you probably have the ingredients in your kitchen. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it again. But if you do like it, you may find that it's a great way of having a really good mask, and without having to go to the esthetician, which we probably can't do now because of COVID. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.